Hey spiritual explorers, welcome back to another exciting video. Embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and growth. Dive into the power of inner work, exploring the profound realms of personal development and spirituality. Let's unravel the mysteries of shadow work, a catalyst for change rooted in Jungian psychology. Subscribe. Let's venture into a world of transformation together. Stay tuned for insights that go beyond understanding actionable wisdom for lasting change. Ready to redefine your reality? Let's get started. Engaging in inner work is a transformative journey that arises when seeking personal growth and change. It's not merely a compliment, but a crucial process, particularly when faced with frustration or the desire for improvement. Rooted in personal development, spirituality, and self-discovery, inner work involves becoming conscious of your internal landscape to effect change externally. Many navigate life with closed eyes, perceiving a dichotomy between themselves and the external world. However, this separation is illusory, as Eastern philosophies describe it as Maya or the Matrix. The truth is that your external reality reflects your internal one. A cluttered internal state manifests as a chaotic external reality. The mind constantly creates your perceived reality. If negative thoughts and self-talk persist, hindering desired outcomes, the solution lies in doing the inner work. Dr. Joe Dispenza emphasizes that your personality shapes your personal reality, composed of your thoughts, actions, and feelings. To break free from past limitations, embracing new thoughts, actions, and feelings becomes key, a journey toward creating a fresh, empowering personal reality in the future. Initiating change begins within. To grasp your inner reality and facilitate transformation, prioritize self-reflection. Gain awareness of your daily thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and the narratives you tell yourself. Often, recurring thoughts perpetuate similar outcomes, even if they manifest subtly differently. For instance, if reaching a financial milestone proves elusive, scrutinize the thoughts and narratives about money, business, and life. Cultivating self-awareness involves acknowledging challenges. As you embark on this journey, expect heightened sensitivity to people's actions, triggering deeper awareness of both positive and negative emotions. It's essential to note that negative emotions, not implying negativity, are part of the process. Embrace these feelings without judgment, welcoming them as signals for growth. In embracing negativity, it's essential to perceive it neutrally, not inherently bad, but a part of existence. Greet it with compassion, recognizing that challenges are opportunities for conscious decisions and transformation. Dr. Robert Maldonado, a mentor and Jungian psychologist, suggests breaking behavioral patterns by doing the opposite of the norm. This demands self-awareness and courage, often causing discomfort to the ego. The ego, architect of personality and personal reality, resists change, fearing its own demise. Consequently, discomfort arises during transformative actions. To delve deeper into this process, one must be prepared for a profound exploration. If ready, the journey begins. If not, taking a pause is acceptable. Having spent a decade in personal development, I understand the confusion. It goes beyond acquiring knowledge. Practical action is vital. I, too, faced resistance despite setting ambitious goals. The key realization is that true change requires not just understanding, but actively implementing the knowledge acquired. In my journey, I've found that a potent catalyst for transforming external realities is engaging in shadow work. This facet of internal exploration centers on understanding and assimilating the shadow elements within one's personality and psyche. Rooted in Jungian psychology, shadow work is widely employed in therapy, personal growth, and spiritual pursuits. Here's how it intricately intertwines with broader internal work. ushering transformative changes. In Jungian terms, the shadow embodies unconscious or concealed facets of one's personality. These include suppressed emotions, desires, fears, and traits deemed unsafe by the ego during formative years, risking rejection by caregivers. Moreover, the shadow encapsulates cultural and societal influences shaping self-perception. Shadow work entails a profound exploration of the subconscious, aiming to recognize and embrace these concealed aspects, ultimately fostering personal growth. Shadow work, a transformative process rooted in self-reflection, journaling, and dream analysis, is most effective when guided by a trained coach. Upon identifying shadow aspects, the next crucial step involves accepting them as integral to your being, without necessitating immediate action on every impulse. Integrating the shadow requires a deep, loving acknowledgement, fostering conscious self-healing and growth. This transformative journey enables the release of pent-up emotions, resolution of inner conflicts, and profound personal and spiritual growth. Embracing hidden aspects empowers you to reclaim control over your reality, exercising genuine free will beyond the influence of past emotions and stories. Shadow work significantly enhances self-awareness, illuminating facets of your personality previously avoided or denied. This heightened awareness leads to authentic self-expression, a better understanding of motivations, and improved relationships. Acknowledging and integrating the shadow fosters better communication, empathy, and a cessation of projecting unresolved issues onto others. While a spiritual and emotional odyssey, shadow work cultivates a greater sense of wholeness, inner peace, and a deeper connection to your true self. It's essential to note that shadow work can be challenging and emotionally intense, often necessitating guidance from an expert to navigate the mind tricks played by the ego. As a complementary practice, developing a meditation routine aids in regulating and integrating changes, offering profound but initially imperceptible transformations akin to a soothing bath for the mind. This inner work, akin to an ayahuasca ceremony, delves deep for lasting transformation, paving the way to a life beyond imagination. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with others so they can benefit from this message, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching the video. Take care and see you soon.